Guys, this is actually so embarrassing. Why do I have the ugliest workout face in the world? It's like all the blood rushes to my face and I don't know why. Like, I want to join a gym, but how am I supposed to go into a gym looking like this? I would actually be scarlet. As you can probably tell, I had just done a workout. So basically, tomorrow is Paddy's Day, so we are planning on going out for Paddy's Day, so I'm so excited for that. So basically, I'm sorry, I'm gonna come back to the vlog when I look a bit more presentable. Okay guys, ignore the absolute head on me as per usual. But basically now I am dyeing my hair, and that's so strange because I haven't dyed my hair in like a year and a half, which is so unusual for me because I usually used to... Anyway, so I used to dye my hair every 3 or 4 months and I haven't dyed it in so long. So like my natural hair is like, I know my hair is like rotten right now, like post-workout hair. So so cold.
I've been out of my head, can't get out of bed. Too much on my brain, but got it good, can't complain. It's like I'm losing my mind, and time's hard to find. What's a girl gotta do to catch a break up when I've just...
Okay, so this is my hair. I'm not sure how I feel. Like, it is a lot darker and I wasn't sure if I wanted to go back dark enough, but I mean it's done now. So anyways, got into Zara this morning, didn't have time to go into the change rooms to try my skirt on. I had a few things in my hand and then basically the queue was too long, didn't have enough time because I had a class, and just bought a skirt. And I bought a size medium because the waist on the small looked really small and just the weight of it looked really small, and now this skirt is too big on me. So this is like the skirt, and like this is like the waist, like there's like this much extra waist, like this is all extra, and now I just feel like it just is so unflattering. I had such a cute image of like an outfit in my head and this is just not it. This outfit is not it, and I just feel like I look like a school teacher or something. I don't know, I just feel like it would be a lot better if this was tucked in. Very annoying. So I'm just gonna eat my breakfast now. I literally just have granola, oat milk, pears, bananas, honey and peanut butter. Not aesthetically pleasing at all. Then I have a glass of gin ready to go. See the color of this? This is the color of dreams. This is my favorite color of all time.
No.
We are home. Boop, 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 boop. We've had a few drinks. Our pizza's in the oven. We've got home from a lovely, lovely day out. It was very, very fun. Went to a lot of bars, went to a lot of different pubs, clubs, whatever. I don't even know if I vlogged before I left because I was in a big hurry and Alan was afraid that he was going to miss a parade. Alan was like a little child who was really upset because he thought he missed a parade. And then we were just really, really hungry. We were really, really craving this pizza. This specific Goodfellas pizza, I'm going to show the cover again. I showed it, I think, in my last vlog, and it was so delicious. It's so, so nice. We were literally craving it. I think it's actually nicer than Domino's pizza, and it's only like £2 or something like that. So we're coming home now. We're going to choose a movie to watch, and yeah, that's pretty much it. This is hands down the nicest. What the fuck? What are you doing? I didn't know what that was, Mia. What are you doing? Just rubbing her head up against the box. I didn't know what that was. You freaking me out, baby. Oh my god, Mia was so sick. I forgot to tell everybody about this. Mia was so sick, we had to bring her to the vets the other day. Come here. Come here to tell the vlog what happened. Basically, we had to bring Mia to the vets. Yesterday. 2 days ago, we had to bring Mia to the vet. Mia decided to eat tissue out of the kitchen. It was like tissue that we used to wipe down like the George Foreman, which had like oil and like fat or whatever on it. She wakes up really early and then starts getting sick. And she gets sick like this much tissue onto the ground, and I'm like, what? Then the whole day she was so sick. She couldn't walk. She was walking backwards at one stage. She was that sore, and she would not eat, she would not drink. She was just, and you could tell she was in so much pain because she just sat in the one spot, and that is so unlike me out. I rang the vets and we told the vets, they were like, yeah, okay, bring her in like now. The tissue was like stuck in her gut. She basically gave laxatives, cost £170 for a visit and for the scan or whatever, and for them to literally say, okay, well, if she gets sick again, £170. Look, you know she's better when she's waiting for some pizza. Are you better? Are you better? Oh my god, she's much better. We know Mia's so much better when she's eating dreamies. Oh my god, squirrel's coming. Squirrel's coming. Look at that doggy. Oh my god.
Walk into the place, dispatch you from a race, my heart.
Oh my god, I'm scared. Can't these attack you? Look at his tail! Oh my god. A squirrel. Same. Oh, I just love them. Do you want to come home with us? Oh my god, he's an acorn! Oh my god, I'm actually stupid.
What?
See that thing in the middle of the water?
Yeah, that was a duck.
The last time we were here, I thought it was a duck. Like, you know the way they put their head under the water? It's actually a fountain. Oh my god.
How did it
Go, ducky, go. Why does it look like he's struggling so hard to swim?
Oh, you have one?
He's so small. That was so weird. What's he showing the water?
Why am I expecting to explode?
Why am I expecting this to be a fucking child? Bye, duckies. Oh, is this what you wanted? Are you happy now? Oh, I like the white one. He's so unique. He's like a typical duck, isn't he? Well, I know, obviously. Like, whoa. So he's angry. Give him some bread. Fighting! They're fighting! Oh my god, they're fighting! There's scraps! Why are they like trumpets?
We roll right here.
Leave him alone! I'm scared! I'm so scared. Look at this! What is happening? Oh my god! I'm so scared. Oh my god, these are too close for one of them. Oh my god. He just bit him! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, no. Please go away. Please go away, go away, go away. I'm so scared. Bye. They're on a date off on their own in the woods. Look at them, they're so adorable. Okay, we are baking some cookies. How exciting. Okay, so we have our baking paper, our tray, our butter, and our cookie mix. These were literally like 60p or something like that, so what? 59 actually, 59p, so I'm not expecting a whole lot, but I don't know, we're just gonna try them and see. You basically just have to add butter and water and they're good to go. So I am so excited to try these. I am really craving something. So thank you so much for watching and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yeah, come back to my channel for my next videos. Thank you so much and have a good night. Thank you.